Hello everyone, I'm Ishwari Sanap, learning in grade 7 rows from Podna International School Washim, and today we're going to learn a new geography topic. So, what are we waiting for? Let's learn geography. The topic which we are going to learn today is the hydrosphere. Let's check what is in this topic. The first subtopic is hydrological cycle. We are going to see now the hydrological cycle. Let's see. So, what do we mean by hydrological cycle? Over here, this cycle, as you can see, it is a hydrological cycle. Because of hydrological cycle, we get clouds, and because of clouds, we get precipitation in the form of rain or snow. So, there are three main processes involved in the hydrological cycle or the water cycle. Firstly, evaporation or transpiration. So, as we all know that water used to get into the atmosphere, but how does water get into the atmosphere? Well, it gets into the atmosphere because of two reasons. Firstly, it's evaporation, and second is transpiration. So, the basic difference between transpiration and evaporation is that the transpiration takes place in the plants, whereas evaporation takes place in water bodies wherever there is water. So, evaporation it is the process of conversion of liquid into gaseous form, liquid into water vapors into the gaseous form, and transpiration it is the process of evaporation of water from the leaves of the plants, from the leaves. So, it's the basic difference. So they are counted as one process. And condensation. So condensation is the process by which this water vapors they are converted into clouds. At the time it's called condensation. And precipitation. So precipitation it means that when these clouds they get too heavy, so at that time they fall back on the earth in the form of precipitation, means in liquid form. So I hope hydrological cycle is clear to you all. Now the next we are going to learn about is saline water and salinity. Let's check what are these two terms regarding. Firstly, saline water. So saline water it means the water containing large amount of dissolved salt like potassium, magnesium, sodium, etc. So at that time the water is called saline water, means any water which contains a large amount of potassium, magnesium, sodium, etc. So that time it's called a saline, not a, it's called saline water. And salinity. So salinity it means it is the total concentration of dissolved salt in the ocean water. Means total amount of dissolved salt in the ocean water. And salinity it is expressed in a terms of parts per thousand. Parts per thousand. It is expressed in parts per thousand. Now let's see distribution of water or the water distribution. Now as we all know that 71% of earth is covered with water, but from that only 3% is fresh water. 97% is saline water. This 97% saline water it is present in oceans, which is I think none of our use, and only 3% is saline water. But wait, something we have to note here that we use only 1% of the fresh water. But why do we do so? Because there are 3%, so why do we use only 1%? We can use the whole 3%, na? But no, we use only 1% because two-thirds of this 3% water it is frozen. It is frozen into ice caps, glaciers, etc. So at that time we have only 1% fresh water left for our use. So we have to use that only. So I hope today's topic is clear to you all, but don't worry. The topic isn't finished. I will come with the next video uh, with the topic, with the whole topic, with the remaining topic, and we are going to talk about that. Up to that time, take care and thank you.